Warning: Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Alam nyo, mga bossing, eto ho, pagkapanalo ho ni Trump, kahit na sa Estados Unidos, makikita ho natin yung mga media roon. I call them medianoids, from the word humanoids. Half human, half robots. Well, if there's humanoids, and this is the term back in the 80s when I was in the U.S., some people don't use the brains, and so they're called humanoids. Not thinking, not discerning. There are some media that are really true blue, as in royal blood. They really are, the steward of facts and truth. Meron ho kasi mga medianoids that they are like manipulated by a puppeteer. And that's why noids, robot, humanoids, half robot, half human. No media, half robot, half media, medianoids. And that's exactly what's happening sa United States, in the U.S. And nobody will understand Trump. Wala ho yung iba ho kasi talagang unpopular ho si Trump because of the liberalism in the U.S. Especially yung sinasabing America first and foremost. Ito hong kinakatakutan ho ng ibang mga bansa. Kasama na ho tayo dyan. But I believe dito ho sa mga sinasabi ho nating uncertainty, ang alang katiyakan, we must be able to convert this uncertainty into opportunity. Yung alang katiyakan, kinakailangan ho, ito'y ma-translate ho natin, magawa ho nating oportunidad ho sa atin. I mean, we can expect for the worst, but hope for the best. In crisis, there will always be opportunity. $30 billion yung BPO natin, Business Process Outsourcing, or BPO call centers. There's going to be a lot of factors ang mangyayari ho na ikukumbinsihin ho ni Trump na dalhin ho yung mga trabahong yung mga ganyan sa Amerika muna kasi ilagay sa China, sa India, sa Philippines na beneficiary ho talaga ng sinasabing Business Process Outsourcing or BPO. And I'm sure sa ating ho kasi $30 billion annually ang kinikita ho natin. Pero may mga economic managers dyan nagsalita kahit si Ben Diop, that'll take, an artificial intelligence. In fact, computers, you could do it. Pag pumunta ho kayo sa US, pag medyo mahaba ho ang pila doon sa mga car rental companies na hindi sobrang pila, you will go to the phone booth. 10 phone booth yan, mamili ka. There's a screen there. When you lift the phone, may lalabas ho ng pop-out na taong kausap mo, face-to-face, mag-uusap ho kayo. You thought na siya ay nasa San Francisco, pero siya ay nasa Chicago, trying to book you para doon ho sa sinasabing car rentals na gusto mo. And I had experience many times pag pumupunta ako ng US because I stayed in the US for too long. Ito ho sinasabi ko, this thing can happen, but that's not artificial intelligence, human to human. You can just imagine yung ganyang klaseng situations, things are gonna change a little bit. Because I don't know kung saan pupunta technology, but it'll take a little time, probably another 5 years to 10 years. Mangyari man ho yan. Or within the next 5 years maybe. But, the preparations na kinakailangan ho ng ating industriya, pag sinasabi ho ng BPO, must be addressed for now. How do we convert that uncertainty, ang alang katiyakan ho, na ito ho'y ma-translate natin to an opportunity is a challenge ho sa atin. Kasi yan ho sinasabing agrikultura, dyan ho, and unti-unti ho pati manpower exports, OFW. Ganun na rin ho nangyayari ngayon sa Middle East, the Southeast Asian. Well, slowly but surely, that has to be addressed. Na yan ho'y dapat nakahanda ho'y mga economic managers ho natin dito para sa mga industriya ang atin nabanggit para mapaghandahan ng husto. And we're going to talk about that some more pagdating ho ng mga the days to come dito ho sa Bitag Live, because I'm just talking because kung ano ho lalabas sa isip ko, all the things that I'm saying, it's carefully researched, evaluated, and analyzed.